Hey guys, welcome. In April of this year, the collaboration between Lovable and Shopify represents the peak of vibe coding. You are no longer restricted by Shopify's liquid templates. You are building a full-stack React front-end that uses Shopify purely as a powerful commerce engine. So, is your Shopify store looking exactly like everyone else's? In this year, themes are the baseline, but Lovable is the ceiling. Today, we are breaking out of the Shopify customizer and building a custom headless storefront using Lovable AI. This isn't just a landing page, it's a high-performance, React-based shop that talks directly to your Shopify backend. In the next minutes, I'm showing you the exact prompts and API secrets to go from a blank canvas to a live, high-converting store. Let's build something original. Right, and the first step is the storefront API handshake. So before we prompt Lovable, we need to give it keys to the shop. So in this year, Lovable actually pulls your data from your store by just you providing the address. So I will show you next, but in general, so that you don't get scared that it's going to be way too hard, we just need to provide this address later on. And this is pretty much all that's needed to hook Lovable to our Shopify. And if for some reason you're using old version of your Shopify, you can do this manually as well. You need to go to your Shopify admin, settings, then apps and sales channels, and be sure to understand that, and then just click develop apps and create a new app called Lovable Connector. So this is the advanced way. If you want to go with this one, you can. And also don't forget, if you're going this way, you need to enable storefront API access. So just check everything, products, collections, checkouts, and of course customer profiles in here on the admin panel. And then you just copy your storefront access token and your Shopify domain. I keep these open. We're going to feed them to Lovable soon. Alright, and for you guys that want to go the simple way and the faster way, just open up Lovable. And also, guys, don't forget, Lovable, the way it works is it's just pretty much the same to any other AI engine, where you just explain in simple language what you want to build, just like you would in, for example, ChatGPT, right? You would just go here and you would ask something or explain something. So the same way Lovable works. So just you can just figure out the prompt by yourself, or you can ask ChatGPT to build a high-converting good prompt for your new store that we are about to create. So in my case, I already have the prompt. I'm just going to paste it. And now we, as you can see, can start building. Also, guys, be mindful of how you build. So if you use a paid plan on Lovable, you can actually plan, right? So if it's available for you, always choose it. I'm just going to go build because I don't have the subscription. So the plan is pretty much, as you can see, it will be able to give you more steps to specify exactly what do you want, right? So for example, if you just choose build, this prompt will be it until it generates, right? So you type this prompt in and then you just wait for the generation, and only after it's done, you can then, for example, perform some kind of modifications or additions. If you go with plan, you can do those as it creates and not after. So it's much better and much more effective. And after that, guys, click on build. There you go. And then just wait. And also, once the UI renders, we will add the brains. But let us wait first until it generates. All right, so as you can see, now we need to set up our Shopify. Just like I said, you don't need to do it manually. As you can see, we have the native integration of Lovable with Shopify. So how we proceed, you need to select one answer. So it's going to be either creating a new store or connecting the existing store. So in my case, I already have my account. So I'm going to just choose connect existing. Okay, and then press on submit. Do not skip this. This is important. And after that, we will, of course, use our address, which is this right here. Just copy it. When it's asking for it, just input it in the prompt field. Okay, and as you can see, the next step is connecting the Shopify store and it will complete the e-commerce integration out of the box. As you can see, you will have the integration and you'll be able to sell anything anywhere. Press on allow. Once again, do not skip. And then just paste this link from your homepage, this one, into this field, connect store. And this is pretty much all you need to do. You really do not need to do this manually, just like I've shown in the beginning, going into the apps, settings. Just don't do that. Do this. It's very simple. And now we just need to wait. This will take some time, so be patient. And Lovable will generate the React components, the data fetching logic, and the cart state instantly. You'll see your actual Shopify products appear in the preview. All right, so it's recommended, of course, before creating to go to product. Right, if you have any collections and products, make sure to set these up fast. In my case, it's just a test store. But if you're going all in and you're actually serious and you have a real business, just do this before you create so that it pulls up properly your products, or you can just do it later. It doesn't matter, it's just more convenient this way. All right, and while it's creating, let me open up my incognito and I will show you the prices for both Lovable and Shopify. So there we go, we have the plans anywhere from 0 to 50 euros a month, of course, depending on where you are. So also, as you can see, we have more perks the higher you move into the subscription tiers. So be mindful of these. Also, in terms of the Shopify pricing, let me type that in and let us see. All right, so as you can see, we have these kind of plans. So it gets from 19 all the way to 2,100. So this is pretty much for the complex businesses. So just, make sure to understand the pricing. All right, also, as you can see, you can just press on the preview, and in here you will have your previews if they are available. Okay, and now, not to waste more of your time, guys, let me actually explain to you also how to set up the product logic. So I will give you the interaction prompt that you can, as you can see, queue. Just type it in, and then when the store is generated, it will apply that as well. All right, so this is my prompt, as you can see. So this is going to create the interactive functionality for our site. So this is the first prompt. As you can see, it's queued, and now the second. And now we have the second. So just send this. And as you can see, we have 2 actions queued. And after this, it will automatically implement image lazy loading, code splitting, and server-side rendering for lightning fast speeds as well. All right, as you can see now, my site is being generated quickly. And as you can see, I have one test product that, of course, later I can change and turn it into a real product if I so desire. So as you can see, we have the shop, drops, manifesto, card, so pretty beautifully done. And now it's doing the other things that we have, of course, typed in. And the other things that's left to do is, of course, to connect it to GitHub so that it's not living in Lovable, but is also pushed out to the world. And also connect that GitHub repo to Vercel or Netlify. And then you can just link your custom domain on Shopify and easily then push it out to the world. And that's pretty much the development guide for your Shopify store through Lovable. If this masterclass helped you level up your store, smash that like button and subscribe.